Today, I'm going to show you guys a house on the lake in Westlake, and this is another one of the benefits of living in Westlake. If you've ever wanted to live on a nice little lake, have your own private boat slip, have your own little boat there, this is one of the best houses. It just hit the market today, and it's one of those happily ever after houses that you could just live here for the rest of your life. So if you like information about real estate, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Josh Brenner. I'm living in Westlake Village. Let me share my screen with you guys right now, and let's show you this amazing house. All right, so this house I'm sorry guys, real quick. This is 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. It's 4,300 square feet. Like I said, it's on the lake in Westlake. This house is at the end of the finger, and so that's a prime location. It's like a double lot. My friend and colleague Troy Rosen listed this home, and starting here at the driveway, you can see that you have your own private gate that keeps this house nice and private. Come on now. And you can see how beautiful the house is lit up at night. Look at the interior, beautiful, nice wood floors, spiral staircase. What a grand entry that is. Look at that woodwork. High quality build. There's an elevator to get you to the second floor. Beautiful formal living room with fireplace. It's all brick. Nice and big, gorgeous views of the lake. Here's another view. The whole point behind living on the lake is just to take in those lakeside views, and these nice big windows sure do take advantage of that. There's a nice little wet bar and the dining room with gorgeous views of the lake. And you also have mountain views from the position that this lot has. You get not only lake views, but mountain views as well. Look at the island kitchen, beautiful beams in the ceiling. It's nice and spacious. 4,300 square feet is a bigger size home to be on the lake. And this is one of the best locations because it is at the end of the finger on the corner. There's the master, huge master bedroom, more gorgeous views. Take it all in. Here's the master bath, huge closet. And check this out. This is a very rare commodity that a home on the lake. This is the swimming pool and spa. Not very many of these houses. There's only a handful of them that have lots big enough to have a pool and a spa on the lake. There's your boat dock right down there. You guys can see that. There's views from the lake. Look at those sunsets. Imagine having dinner out there in your backyard. Sunsets by the pool. Beautiful position, corner lot. There's from the aerial, there's solar also. Look at that. Westlake living at its finest, everybody. It's on the island, which is security guard gated. That's the entrance. There's some of the activities, some of the sailing that goes on. That picture was taken up on the ridge, and there we are. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. So if lakeside living is something you might be interested in, please get a hold of me. Call me, text me, email me. I'm Josh Brenner with Compass here in Westlake Village. I would love to meet with you. I have access to this beautiful home. So give me a call. Let's get in there and let's buy a house, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye-bye.